In this video, I'm going to explain whether YouTube TV works in Mexico and what options you have if you're trying to access it. Unfortunately, YouTube TV is not officially available in Mexico, as the service is only accessible to users within the United States due to licensing restrictions. YouTube TV uses geolocation to verify your IP address, and if it detects that you're outside the US, you won't be able to sign up or stream content. That said, some people use a virtual private network, VPN, with a US-based server to bypass these restrictions. However, using a VPN to access YouTube TV may violate their terms of service, so proceed with caution. Additionally, even with a VPN, you'll need a US payment method and billing address, which can make setup more complicated. If YouTube TV isn't an option, consider alternative streaming services available in Mexico, such as Sling TV, which offers international plans, Hulu plus Live TV via a US VPN, or local streaming platforms like Blim or Izzy Go. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV works in Mexico, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.